Hello my peaches, what's up? I am Pratha and welcome to today's video. I am just out of the shower, and because some of you guys have been asking for a demo for this brush right here, so I thought let's do it in this video. So I hope this video somehow will help you, and let's roll the intro first. Okay, so the whole idea of this video today is that I am going to use this brush only, no other brush, no comb, nothing else, and I'm going to show you how I volumize my hair with it. I am trying to curl my hair with it, but I have not got a hold of it. Once I do, I will definitely show you how I do that. But for now, I'm good at volumizing my hair with it, and my hair is damp, not yet completely dry. So this is just the perfect time to show you that how I do it, and let's get started. If I really want to hold the style in my hair and hold that volume for 2-3 days, if I will have to go to weddings and all, and somewhere I cannot style my hair again and again, and I want to hold that volume in my hair, then I would use the Nova styling mousse. And to be honest, the fragrance is not the best. It does smell very synthetic and plasticky, and it also does turn the hair dry a little afterwards. But if you are using the right kind of hair masks and doing the right kind of hair care, it won't affect your hair that much. But I do not prefer using it very frequently. It's just been once or twice when I have used this, and I am not going to use it today. Simple reason, because I am not willing to hold my style for the next 2-3 days. I'm just doing this volumizing thing to show you guys that how I do it on an everyday basis. I'm going to use it on medium. I could have easily used it on high. I also use it on high sometimes whenever I am in a hurry, but I'm not in a hurry right now, and it's more about volumizing the hair right now instead of drying the hair out, because my hair is almost dry because of all that has been happening. Somebody came at the door and I had to take a break from filming in between. So let's put it on middle. So this is the medium heat, and I'll just start brushing. I have not brushed my hair at all right now with anything, so I'm gonna brush my hair with this itself. And the good thing is that the inlet of air is from here, and there are hardly any chances that it will suck up your hair. So this is how I do it. I roll it a little down here. And yeah, reaching out at the back. Okay, now, so for now the hair is almost dry. Some hair is damp at the back, and now I'm going to take little strands. See that? Now the only problem that I face with this brush is that the cord over here does not rotate, so it coils like this. You see? Let me turn it a little here. So it coils this way, and I always have to uncoil it and then resume with whatever I was doing. Now I have done this side, and before I start putting extra volume in my hair and that extra bounce, I would like to do this side first and come back to you guys. Both the sides are done now. They are dry, they are straight, and now I'm going to volumize the crown area. And for that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pick up strands of hair, like from here. And if you notice, I have not used any brush, any comb, nothing at all. I'm using this brush only to do whatever is needed to be done. And I'll take the strand and flip it over to the front and then roll it and hold it for a few seconds. And then take some from here and again do the same thing. Put it back, and it's a mess right now, but we will fix it. And then finally take the front hair like so, and now at this point, if you want more volume, you can pick up strands from the sides like so, and then do the same thing to them as well. And then flip it back. Once you do that, you see that volume in the hair, that bounce, and that's just not it. When I flip it this way, you can actually see how bouncy and how volumized the hair look. And you know what, if you put on clips on it, like if you roll the hair, put the clips on, and if you let it dry like that, it volumizes even more. So I love this routine for like going out and all, and this has become my go-to thing. The only thing that I do not like is that the wire over here does not, you know, rotate. So that's why it becomes a little difficult to work with it, and you have to uncoil the coiled wire again and again. But I think we can manage that much if we are getting it under 1000 rupees. And the biggest advantage, it has a brush in it, it has a roller in it, and you don't have to use 1000 things, and you don't have to tire your arms basically. And the volumizing routine becomes so much easy with a tool like this. And to be honest, I have a hairdryer, I have a straightening iron and a curling rod as well, but this is probably the best and the fastest hairstyling tool I have invested in so far, because I love how my hair turns out after using this. And yes, and you too can see that how amazing it is looking and how bouncy it is. I will leave a link for you guys, the one that I own and the one that I have bought from Amazon. I will leave a link for you guys down below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to be my peaches. Till then, keep looking beautiful and have a great day all. Bye bye. Mwah.